Hey you guys, I'm Ratsi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today we are going to be doing a Meesho haul and I'm so excited for this one because this was one of the most requested videos. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe me and press the bell icon so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Also, today's haul is going to be a very huge haul because I've ordered 10 items.
समझ रहे हो समझ रहे हो आप समझ रहे हो ना
I mean, pehle I was thoda skeptical about Meesho app, but then my Insta fam kept telling me do a Meesho haul, so I finally checked out the Meesho app and I kind of liked it. And of course, it is in wholesale prices, so they sell everything in wholesale prices, and I like that a lot about the app. And there were so many items which are like so inexpensive. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first top that I'm going to be talking about is this one. This has zebra print all over it and it has bell sleeves like these. And it is like a very trending top. It was there all over Meesho app. And I found this as a dupe of Urbanic. So I was scrolling on Urbanic a few days ago and I saw this exact top on Urbanic at like almost double the prices. So I'm very happy with this purchase. And this also has like a collar, so you know you can like wear it aise, like here's like button ke liye holes and you can like wear it with or without the short collar. But this is like a very trendy top. The quality is like an 8 on 10, but it looks very nice and very good, so you can definitely buy this one. Next up is a bucket bag. I was wanting a bucket bag since so long. I had ordered a few bags uske pehle, but they were like so expensive. I bought them for like $1,000 or $1,200. I'm not sure, but they were very expensive. And I got this one at a very nice price. So happy with the purchase, and the quality is also very nice. The zipper and everything. Wait, I'll show you guys. So the zip is very smooth as well. I like it, and this one is in a brown color. So make sure you check my description box for all the details. Next up is this rainbow top. The top looks something like this and I really like the feel and everything. It is a very good top. So this has like SSA sleeves and you can wear it either like off shoulder or like as a proper top, and I really like this one. But my sister likes it more than me, so I'm planning to like give this to her. She likes such cute tops, so yeah, I don't know what I'll do. Like I might give it to her.
okay
These were so in trend like a month or so ago, but I couldn't buy it that time because everybody was selling it at like such high rates, like 1,000, 1,200, but and I got it at such inexpensive prices. So I am very happy with this one. Also, the back is like this, and it is like super stretchable, and the front is also like very trendy. You can wear this top in so many different ways. Next up is my personal favorite purchase from this Meesho haul, and this is this floral printed crop top which is like super pretty and it has SSA sleeves. This is by the brand called Pretty Living Thing, and I am very happy with the purchase because the material is, I think, polyester, or I'm not sure about the material, but this is a very summery outfit. You can like properly style this in so many different ways for summers, and you can wear this top as well in either off shoulder top or like a proper top. It totally depends on you, how you want to style it. I'll put a proper slide wherein I show this necklace. So this is a set of 3 necklaces and 3 in 1, so you can like wear all of them together or wear everything separately. So it totally depends on how you want to style this, and I really like the quality and everything. I'll show you the jewelry. So these are 3 neck pieces. This is the first one. I didn't like this one because it makes me feel like a gunda, so I genuinely look like a thug isme. So I didn't like this one as such, but the quality is very nice. Is the second one. It has like a butterfly like this. The quality is very nice, but I just hope that this doesn't oxidize soon, because a lot of jewelry that I bought and cheap jewelry that I get, it oxidizes like super fast. So I'm just hoping this one doesn't. And this is the third pair. So wait, I'll show you. So this is how it has like fake diamonds in this, so I really like this one as well. So these are the three sets that I got, and it comes in a packaging like this, so you can like keep it airtight in this package. Next up is this super trendy black crop top, one shoulder crop top. My dog is barking, I don't know why. So this is the one shoulder, and here it doesn't have a sleeve, and these look like super trendy and they are trending right now. So you can buy this one, and I bought it at a very cheap price of 197 rupees. Anywhere you find it, you're not going to find it lesser than this, because majorly I like searched for these on Amazon, Myntra, everywhere it was like 400 to 500 rupees. So this was a very good and affordable purchase that I had. Next up is this maroon colored super trendy top. This is super stretchable and I really like this one. So the sleeves are like this and you can wear this one. I like majorly ordered all of these clothes like either off shoulder or tops. You can wear it any how you want to, and this was so affordable, and that is the reason I immediately put it into my cart. Because you know, Meesho pe I found this thing very nice, that there is a lot of affordable stuff and you can definitely buy like good quality tops at very cheap rates. So Meesho does help in finding very good quality yet affordable cheap stuff for like throwaway prices. Next up is this kurta set that I ordered. So this is like the kurta and this is the print and this is the palazzo that I got. I did not like this one at all and I could not return it because the return window got closed. So I couldn't return this one. Sadly, I would not recommend you guys to buy this one. The quality is super bad और जब आप उसको पहनोगे ना तो आपको वो चुभेगा. मतलब मटेरियल थोड़ा सा वियर्ड सा है. आई थिंक इट इज़ रेयन और समथिंग लाइक अ मिक्सचर ऑफ 2-3 मटेरियल्स. आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट वो जब आप पहनोगे तो थोड़ा सा चुभता है वो. लाइक द फील इजंट गुड एट ऑल. और वहाँ पर साइट पर इतना अच्छा दिखाया हुआ था इसको, बट रियलिटी में दिस इज लाइक अ 1 on 10. नॉट इवन 1, दिस इज अ 0 on 10. आई वुडंट रेकमेंड यू गाइज टू बाय दिस वन. उसका द क्लॉथ फील इज सो बैड एंड सो चीप. लाइक मैंने जितना उसके लिए पैसा दिया मुझे उसका बिल्कुल भी वर्थ नहीं लगा ये प्रोडक्ट. Now I'm going to show you guys my second favorite product that I ordered from Meesho, and it is so affordable, so beautiful, so pretty, and it is this kaftan that I ordered. I already told you guys in my previous video where I think it was which hall was that? I'm still not getting it. Yeah, it was nightwear haul. अभी याद आया, इतने देर बाद मुझे याद आया. It was the nightwear haul and I mentioned that I ordered a kaftan from Meesho and this is the kaftan. This looks like super huge, but it has like a proper fit to it. So here is a close-up of the design. The kaftan is so pretty. I am in love with this kaftan and it was so affordable, and plus this one is also cotton, so this is perfect for summers and I really love this one. I mean, I worn it yesterday and my mom really liked this one, so I'm planning to get her one of these as well. They're really nice and super comfortable, so you can definitely buy this one as well. Last but not the least is this palazzo, jeans denim palazzo that I ordered. So this is like multicolored denim palazzo, and this one looks really stylish, but I didn't like the denim ka feel. Like the feel was super off for some reason. The feel is like it feels thoda sa cheap quality ka denim. So that's the only reason I did not like this. And again, I could not return this because मेरा वही return period रिटर्न पीरियड ख़त्म हो चुका था, तो आई कुड नॉट रिटर्न दिस वन एज वेल. मुझे बहुत अजीब सा फील आता है व्हेन आई वेयर इट. थोड़ा सा चीप सा फील आता है. आई डोंट नो, लाइक द मटेरियल इज सुपर चीप and I wouldn't recommend you guys to buy this one as well. This is a big no for the material and for the feel that it gives you when you wear it. ऊपर से गर्मी में इसमें आपको और गर्म होगा, तो if you're planning to buy it for summers, please don't. So that's it for today, you guys. Hope you guys liked the video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And as I said, the link for the collection is in my description, so check it out, order whatever you want to. And thank you for watching the video. Bye bye, take care.